Hello, my name is Antoinette, and a little bit about my background. I was born and raised in Minnesota. I currently work at a middle school. I have five children, and I own and operate a child care center as well. My experience with assessment comes from giving assessments to my children. I also provide assessments at the middle school to kids there, as well as assessing the development and progress the children at my child care center are making in both toddler and preschool. Um, what I hope to get out of this class is just a basic understanding on more creative ways to provide assessments to children and or different ways to assess the abilities of children of varying ages. I know a little bit, but I believe that there's always more that you can learn on subjects, so I'm hoping just to get a better understanding and learn new ways to do things. Um, I actually can't for sure remember the first concert I ever went to, but it may have been a boys group called B2K, which was popular when I was in middle school slash high school, probably. That may have been the first concert. I went to a lot, so I'm not positive. But I am looking forward to a great semester, and I hope you guys are as well.